I am Danny Young. I am from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I have been with Symmetry for 20 months, but I've actually been in the insurance industry since 1984, so 31 years. In that time, I've done well. I mean, I have done well. I never wanted to be in the insurance industry. I got in the insurance industry out of pretty much desperation. I was a shift worker at a plant in Baton Rouge. We had put our kids in private school, and for 2 years after we put them in private school, we just robbed Peter to pay Paul, and it's just a tough way to live. And so I had an opportunity to go to work for part-time for an insurance company, and I did that, and after 13 months, I resigned from Exxon. I've been in the insurance industry ever since. I found mortgage protection 8 years ago, and it's a different animal in that they actually find people for us to go talk to. We only see people that ask to be seen, which is a different thing in the insurance industry. Most insurance people have to beat the bushes to find people to talk to. We don't. We have more people to see than we actually have agents to go see them. You can come to Symmetry and you can do one of two things. So you can do both. You can come here and you could just sell. You could get, you can get some leads and call these people that want to be seen and go see them, and you get clients, you get paid. Or you can build, which is what I chose to do, because when I came to Symmetry, I was already in my 60s, and I just didn't want to do all the work. I've passed the point of wanting to do all the work. And so I found some friends of mine that found some friends of theirs, and I've been putting together an agency now for 20 months, and we did a little right at $2.5 million last year, our first year here. So we got it, and I think that what I like most about Symmetry is the fact that it attracts people that are good, stable, hardworking, trustworthy people that just want better in their life, and they're willing to put in the effort to get better. We protect the fact that somebody may die, and we don't want them to lose that home. We don't want families to be displaced from their home because a breadwinner died. Well, if you look at our market, there's 80 million mortgages. We have 400 agents nationwide writing business, 400. So we have a market of 80 million. We're writing about 2,500 applications. We're protecting about 2,500 of those a month, 30,000 a year. But there's 80 million out there. It's going to take us, if we were doing 50,000 applications a year, it would take us 1,600 years to get all 80 million. It's ludicrous how big our market is, and it's not going to change. So you come here, you learn this business in maybe 90 days, and you have it learned. You don't ever have to learn it again. It's not going to change. What we do is not going to change. But once again, we have so many more people to go see than we have agents to go see them. That's why we're always looking for good, solid, stable people. Most people when they get out of high school, they get out of college, they've got a lot of friends, and then they spend the rest of their life losing friends. People get married, people move away, people die. Here, you can make friends every day. I've got friends today that I will be friends with forever, that I've met in this business, that I brought into this business, that I helped develop in this business. And the cool thing is that when you have a culture like that, everybody helps everybody else. It's not just me. It's not just my team. It's my team helps other teams here. Other agencies help us. And we gather at conferences so that everybody can celebrate their success. And the ones that are just starting out can learn what they need to be doing. But they get to see people who are, first of all, they're very good people, but they get to see them having transformed their life through a business opportunity that's only going to get better and better. I mean, this is not a get-rich-quick thing. This is something where you have to come, you got to bring the work. But if you will, once again, if you'll follow the system, if you will do what others before you have done, you absolutely cannot fail here.